When selecting software for creating electrical one-line diagrams, a variety of options are available, ranging from commercial suites to open-source programs and web-based tools. Commercial software often provides comprehensive features and dedicated support, while open-source options offer flexibility and cost savings. Web-based tools provide accessibility and collaboration features. Several industry-leading commercial computer-aided design, or CAD, software packages include electrical design tools that support the creation of one-line diagrams. AutoCAD Electrical is a popular choice, offering a wide range of features for electrical design and documentation. iPlan Electric Pate is another comprehensive electrical engineering software package with specialized tools for creating and managing one-line diagrams. GE Power Systems Design Suite, also known as PSD, is specifically designed for power system analysis and includes tools for creating and analyzing one-line diagrams. Schneider Electric EcoStruxure Power Design provides a suite of tools for electrical distribution and automation design, including features for creating and managing one-line diagrams. Siemens DIA Portal is a software platform for industrial automation that includes electrical design capabilities, allowing users to create one-line diagrams within the automation project. For those seeking open source or free software options, several programs offer one-line diagram capabilities. Q Electrotech is an open-source electrical CAD software package with support for creating and editing one-line diagrams. Dia is a free and open-source diagramming software package that can be used to create various types of diagrams, including one-line diagrams. LibreCAD is a free and open-source CAD software package that supports electrical design and one-line diagrams. FreeCAD is a free and open-source parametric 3D CAD software package that can be used for electrical design and creating one-line diagrams. KiCad is an open-source suite of tools for electronic design, including schematic capture and printed circuit board layout, and can be used to create one-line diagrams. Web-based tools offer another approach to creating one-line diagrams with the advantage of accessibility and collaboration features. Electric Geographic Information System, or GIS, is a cloud-based platform for electrical infrastructure management, including the creation and management of one-line diagrams. Lucidchart is a web-based diagramming tool with templates specifically for electrical engineering and one-line diagrams. Draw.io is a free and open-source web-based diagramming tool that can be used to create various types of diagrams, including one-line diagrams. When choosing software for creating electrical one-line diagrams, several additional considerations should be taken into account. Firstly, it is important to ensure that the software supports relevant industry standards for one-line diagrams, such as Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEE, Standard 399. Secondly, the ease of use of the software should be considered, taking into account the user interface and the learning curve. Thirdly, it is important to ensure that the software is compatible with existing design tools and workflows. Finally, determine the cost of the software and the value it provides to the organization. A thorough evaluation of available software options, considering these factors, will help in selecting the right tool for creating accurate and effective electrical one-line diagrams. Electrical one-line diagrams are simplified representations of an electrical system, showing the major components and their connections. They are used for planning, designing, and analyzing electrical systems, as well as for troubleshooting and maintenance. The diagrams typically include symbols for components such as transformers, generators, circuit breakers, switches, and loads connected by lines representing conductors. Information such as voltage levels, current ratings, and equipment ratings is also included. Electrical one-line diagrams are essential for electrical engineers, technicians, and electricians who work with electrical systems. These diagrams provide a clear and concise overview of the system, making it easier to understand and work with. Choice of software for creating electrical one-line diagrams depends on the specific needs and requirements of the user or organization. Commercial software packages typically offer a wider range of features and dedicated support, but they can be more expensive. Open source and free software options offer cost savings and flexibility, but they may require more technical expertise to set up and use. Web-based tools provide accessibility and collaboration features, but they may require an internet connection. When evaluating software options, it is important to consider factors such as industry standards, ease of use, compatibility, and cost. The software should support the relevant industry standards for one-line diagrams such as IE 399, which provides guidelines for creating and interpreting one-line diagrams. The user interface should be intuitive and easy to use, and the learning curve should be reasonable. The software should be compatible with existing design tools and workflows to ensure seamless integration. And finally, the cost of the software should be weighed against the value it provides to the organization. Ultimately, the best software for creating electrical one-line diagrams is the one that meets the specific needs and requirements of the user or organization. With a wide range of options available, there is sure to be a software package that is a good fit. Consider the features, costs, and compatibility of different software packages before making a decision. Whether choosing commercial software, open source software, or a web-based tool, make sure it meets the specific needs. Electrical one-line diagrams are an indispensable tool for electrical professionals. Selecting the right software can streamline the design, analysis, and maintenance of electrical systems. When evaluating different programs, consider the user interface, ease of use, and the availability of support and training. Industry standards compliance is another vital factor. The chosen software should adhere to relevant industry standards such as IE 399 to ensure accuracy and consistency. Moreover, ensure the software is compatible with the existing design tools and workflows. This compatibility can facilitate smoother integration and collaboration among teams. The cost of the software should align with the value it provides. Open source and web-based tools are typically more affordable, while commercial options offer more features and dedicated support. Electrical engineers and technicians use one-line diagrams extensively for system planning, design, and analysis. A well-crafted diagram offers a clear representation of the electrical system, enabling efficient troubleshooting and maintenance. For instance, when a fault occurs in the system, a one-line diagram helps identify the affected components and circuits, enabling swift resolution. By providing a comprehensive view of the electrical system, one-line diagrams promote safety and prevent costly errors. It's important to note that one-line diagrams are not the same as detailed wiring diagrams. One-line diagrams provide a simplified overview of the system, while wiring diagrams show the exact connections between components. Both types of diagrams are essential for electrical work, but they serve different purposes. One-line diagrams are used for system-level analysis and planning, while wiring diagrams are used for installation and troubleshooting. As electrical systems grow in complexity, the need for accurate and up-to-date one-line diagrams becomes even more critical. Regularly updating one-line diagrams can prevent misunderstandings and ensure that all team members have a clear understanding of the system. Software features such as symbol libraries, automated drawing tools, and real-time collaboration can greatly enhance the efficiency of creating and managing one-line diagrams. Symbol libraries provide pre-drawn symbols for common electrical components such as transformers, circuit breakers, and generators. Automated drawing tools can simplify the process of creating and connecting components, saving time and effort. Real-time collaboration features enable multiple users to work on the same diagram simultaneously, facilitating communication and teamwork. Cloud-based software offers the added benefit of accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. This accessibility can be particularly useful for teams working remotely or across multiple locations. When selecting cloud-based software, it's essential to consider factors such as data security and reliability. Ensure that the software provider has robust security measures in place to protect sensitive data. It's also important to choose a provider with a proven track record of reliability and uptime. Many software packages offer training and support resources to help users get the most out of the software. These resources may include online tutorials, user manuals, and technical support. Take advantage of these resources to learn how to use the software effectively and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. In summary, selecting the right software for creating electrical one-line diagrams is a crucial decision that can significantly impact the efficiency and effectiveness of electrical work. Carefully evaluate the available options, considering factors such as features, cost, compatibility, industry standards, compliance, and the availability of training and support. With the right software in hand, electrical engineers, technicians, and electricians can create accurate and informative one-line diagrams that support safe and efficient system design, analysis, and maintenance. These diagrams serve as a vital communication tool, facilitating collaboration and preventing costly errors. Choosing the software that best aligns with the unique requirements and workflows ensures a smooth and productive experience. Whether it's commercial software or open source software, or a web-based tool, ensure the software delivers the necessary capabilities for creating and managing electrical one-line diagrams effectively.